If you're tired all the time, if your body feels heavy, if it feels uncomfortable instead of kind of a relieving feeling when someone asks you to pause or take a break, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. In the world that we are in right now, you are most likely burnt out. And burnt out being to the point where it makes sense for most of us. As Black women or women of color, many of us were conditioned to survive, not rest, which means that we're going to keep pushing. We're going to do all the things to make sure that we are healthy while being sometimes very unhealthy with our bodies in practice. So rest is something that we just didn't do all the time. And then we don't always do well because we have a million different things we want to get done, have to get done. And everything has this level of priority in our minds that means that we sometimes never feel like we're ever done.